So this is how I link my thoughts by using Obsidian. So I left Cape Town and I'm back here in Bali. I came here to sell all of my things and Bali is so busy now. But hey, I'm super excited to make this video because ever since I was a little kid, I always had problems with organization. Like I could never find anything. If it was something small, you could just forget it. And even if it was like something big, like a basketball, I never knew where it was. So I was like always struggling with that one thing until I found this thing called sticky notes, right? So I used to put sticky notes everywhere. Like when I got my first apartment, I put sticky notes all over my walls. I put it on my mirrors. I put it on people's face. Like I put it everywhere, right? But the problem with sticky notes is, especially when you're a traveler, like where do you stick the notes at, right? Like I can't just stick them on my desktop, you know what I mean? So I think that Obsidian really helped me solve that problem with being able to like link the things that I'm thinking about already and connect them together and make it super clear so I'm able to like come back to what I was trying to think about earlier, right? And sorry if I sound a little sleepy, I'm kind of jet lagged still, but you know, I'm about to get into it. So the first thing that I use in Obsidian to link my thoughts is the graph view or the 3D graph view, right? So basically, it's just a cool diagram to see how the shit links. And it's pretty simple to use. So when you open up Obsidian, let's say you have a vault with a whole bunch of notes inside of it, right? And when you find a thought through your notes that you want to connect, all you have to do is put 2 brackets at the beginning and the end of the word. And then that will create a separate note for that word. And all you have to do is go into the right corner, click the backlinks, and then under that, you will see the unlinked mentions. You can just link your thoughts by clicking the button link. If you do this enough, your graph view will start to look crazy and it'll be cool because you can like go back and see how everything connects, you know, like when you were talking about thoughts or things, or you were talking about like food in a certain way, and you can really tell that you like pizza because the word pizza connects like 1,000 times, you know, in your notes and stuff like that. I don't know, there's so many ways you can use it. So yeah, I'm back here in Bali selling all my stuff and wish me luck. But you know, it's kind of funny, you know, being out of Bali for 7 months, a lot has changed. Like there's new restaurants, there's new people, there's a ton of Russian people, like tons of Russian people. It's crazy. Yeah, so it's funny how a lot of things changed, but the one thing that I missed more than anything was my desk, which is crazy. You know, like I've got one of these standing sit down desks, you know, electric desks that I control with my phone. And I absolutely love it, and I haven't been working on a desk like this when I'm in Cape Town, so I'm excited to like get that over to Cape Town. And I'm basically just basing in Africa instead of Asia now because I really want to start this next chapter of my life by exploring Africa and traveling from there. And you know, Bali's always got this sweet spot in my heart, but it's just time to go over to Africa and see what the motherland do, you know? So hopefully this video was helpful, and like and subscribe if you like content like this. I'm gonna keep posting it and maybe see you in a different country, or I might make another video of leaving, what's it called, Bali. That's where I'm at, right? Yeah, so peace.